This is the flag of the Bangladesh border. Uh, Here is the zero line, and this is Bangladesh. This is India. You can see now the scenario of Indian view. Okay. You're watching the video on YouTube channel. The official YouTube channel is Travelography. Stay connected with us. You can feel and you can listen the original natural sound of the environment, the birds and the wind. We can listen some sounds. Oh yeah, we got it. We got a main pillar. It's a pillar. It's a boundary pillar of Bangladesh and Indian border. Bangladeshi farmers sheets. Rice seeds. That is rice seeds. Oh, it's a banana garden. Here also, big garden size. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe. Till then, bye. Stay with us, Travelography.